Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this analysis video we would see where can Nifty and Bank Nifty head tomorrow, what should be your trading plan and which would be the key levels to watch out for. So on daily time frame you can see that market was not able to sustain 9200 level and a huge sell off came from that level. So as we discussed earlier that whenever there is a huge red candle formation, it is usually followed by another big red candle or sideways price action, and in most cases this sideways price action gives a breakdown. So tomorrow would be an interesting day. If market opens gap down below 9000, again 9000 level would act as a resistance, and if 8800 level doesn't sustain, then you could see possibly 8500 levels for Nifty. It would be interesting if it opens gap up to see that can market sustain the higher values or again a sell off comes, and most likely a breakdown is expected around 8800 levels in coming days. Let us have a look at 15-minute time frame chart. As stated yesterday, market was expected to open on flat and positive note, and it did open on flat and positive note, and a resistance was expected around 9150 level. Hope you must have watched yesterday's video and traded the same as well, and as stated that it was expiry, market would show sideways price action. It was almost a sideways price action shown by the market, with 9150 range being resistance and 9100 range being the support as clearly stated yesterday. So for tomorrow, if market opens flat, you could see a downfall and you could expect it to take support at 8900 levels and also 9000 level to act as support. On upper side you can see a strong resistance at around 9150 and 9200 levels. So one thing which I would like to suggest you guys is that don't read your mind through the market. If market wants to go up, if it's really in bullish trend, let the market prove itself that it is bullish. Don't go on expecting that it would rise. And a personal suggestion would be that be on selling side until and unless a sufficient bull strength is expected, and be on selling side until and unless sufficient bull strength is displayed. On a similar note, let's have a look what can happen in Bank Nifty. As I have stated in previous few sessions and again stating today that banking sector has become considerably weak, and in this sector you could see the break of around 7450 level, and once this level breaks, the last level for support would be around 17100. If this doesn't sustain, then you could possibly see new lows in Nifty Bank. Let's view this on weekly time frame. As I have emphasized on the principle that how market works, this is a perfect W shape in forming, and most likely market would test these levels and then bounce back up. Market never moves in V's, it either moves in W's or comes down, shows a sideways price action, either gives a breakdown or a breakout. So let's view this on 15-minute time frame for detailed analysis. As stated yesterday that Bank Nifty would find many hurdles to cross 18,200 levels, and see how strong rejection it faced from 18,200 levels, and it came down until 17,700 levels. So those who are following my analysis regularly and learning how to analyze the markets would now gain faith and how important it is to analyze markets a day prior. So for tomorrow I share the same view that 18,200 and 18,000 levels would act as strong resistance for Bank Nifty, and 17,400 levels acts as support. but most likely I am expecting a good fall in Bank Nifty tomorrow, and 17,450 level is likely to be broken if Bank Nifty opens flat or gap down. Because of some global cues, if Bank Nifty opens very high, then you could see a good sell off and things might become a little trickier in that case. So do follow me on my Twitter handle. I regularly post key levels based on opening of the market in morning session, which would help you taking trades and planning for the day. So thank you friends, happy trading, happy learning.